Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create viral CGI ads using 100% free AI tools. So, watch till the end. Let's get started. First, we need a reference image to guide our CGI look. Go to Pinterest.com, click on Explore, and in the search bar type your product name plus CGI poster. In my case, I'll type perfume CGI poster and hit enter. Pinterest will now show you a bunch of high-quality CGI ad references. Pick the one you like. I like this one, so I'll open it. To download it, click on the three dots and then download image. Done. We now have our reference image. Now let's replace the product in that CGI poster with our own product image. Here's the reference image I downloaded, and here's my product image. You'll need a secret ChatGPT prompt to do this. I've added it in the description box and first comment. Copy it. Now go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt. It'll ask you to upload your reference image first. Do that. Then upload your product image and hit enter. It may take a few minutes since we're using the free version, so be patient. Boom, our CGI poster is ready. Check this out. My product is now perfectly placed inside the CGI ad style. Looks professional, right? Now it's time to turn that image into a viral CGI video ad. For this, go to Kling AI. Click on Create, then Sign Up. Once you're in the dashboard, click Video, and then upload your CGI poster image from ChatGPT. Click Generate and wait for about a minute. And there it is. Our animated CGI ad is ready. Check this out. It looks stunning. You can crop out the watermark part using any video editor. That's it. We just created a high-quality, viral-style CGI ad using 100% free AI tools. No paid software, no complicated editing. Make sure to drop a like, comment what you'll be using this trick for, and subscribe for more AI content like this. With that said, thanks for watching.